How to use Smartsheet for beginners, Smartsheet project management. Hi there, today learn about how to use the Smartsheet platform for project management. But first of all, what is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is actually a cloud based project management and collaboration tool that allows teams to organize and track their work in real time. It also offers features such as task tracking, automated workflows, collaboration tools, reporting, and resource management. Here in Smartsheet is this is also used by a wide range of businesses and organizations from small teams to large enterprises across various industries. And with its user-friendly interface and flexible design, it make it makes it a popular choice for most project managers, team leaders, and other professionals who need to stay organized and on top of their work. So, for us to begin here, you can go to the website smartsheet.com. Before you begin, you can go ahead and scroll down these information and then you can actually look into its features and they will actually be having a lot of informations on why you should choose Smartsheet and what it differs from other platforms as well. So for us to begin, what you can do here is that here, using this platform, it does not only allow you or helps you with project management, it actually ensures you with your security that all your data will be secure and safe using this platform. Here, so we can scroll down a few more information. And for us to begin, you can click on Try Smartsheet for free. That's on the green button on the upper corner of the screen. And here, for us to begin, you just need to input your email address and then click on continue. When you click on continue, these are the few informations that you need to fill out. Your first name, your last name, your phone number, your job title, and for how how large your company is. So let's just these informations are just for example. So since I'm just a startup, I'll just have 1 to 4 employees for my account here. So I just need to verify through my email address that I authorize Smartsheet to access my information. So I can go to my email, and this is basically the information that you will be receiving. You just need to click on the confirm email button and you will be rerouted or redirected to the Smartsheet page. Just need to wait for it to fully load up. And here, once this is fully loaded, there's a few more informations that you need to create, like your password. You need to create a strong password, making sure that these are combinations of numbers and letters, and also with special characters, and make sure it's a minimum of 10 characters or more. You just need to fill out all these informations here. Okay, once fully filled out, you can just click on I agree and continue. And then you'll be routed into this page where you can fill out these informations to make sure that you um, receive the best experience here with Smartsheet. So they will be asking on what type of industry you are in. So what I'll put here is just for project management. And they will also ask if what type of work you will be managing. So here you can choose multiple information, let's say task prioritization, budgeting, and your projects as well. Then you can go ahead and click on next. And then after that, what you will need to input is the name of your project. So you actually have the option to skip those informations being asked and do it later on, or you can actually just follow with the flow so that you will be guided on how to begin with creating your own account. So here, just name the project research, and then you have the option on what view you'd like the project to be in. And then here, when you click on next, you will be adding a few tasks for the project here. So you can skip the step or you can go ahead and fill out this information. Here, so you can click on next, and then you'll be go to routed into this page. You can just go ahead and click on next, and then they will just be informing you on how you'll be able to visualize your dashboard. So here, this is a page or the part where you can invite your team members. You can skip the step since you can definitely add the members of your team later on. But you can go ahead and add the email address of your team here for your reference. So you can go ahead and click on build the project. So if you encounter an error, you can just go ahead and skip the step. And here they are congratulating you for creating your first project. And now this is your dashboard here with Smartsheet, where you can see that under the project research, there's a lot of information that we filled out already earlier. So for us to begin, we will look into the icons here on the left side panel of the screen, starting with the home icon, where these are. This is the page where you can create your new projects or new works or new collaborations with your team. And this is how you will be able to preview the projects as well on what's the status and a lot more. So after that here, you can click on the bell icon that's under notifications. These are the informations where you can see all the notifications you have. For example, if the project or the task has been finished by one of your team members, you will be notified here. And if ever there will be informations or any email that you'll be receiving regarding your Smartsheet project, will be notified as well. Another thing here is under the folder icon, you will be able to browse the projects that you have on the account. So, from the research that we created under Workspace, you can even add a sheet as well. And here are the information. So, the next thing here is the time icon, where this is actually allows you to browse the histories or what are the plans or the projects that you have been through or what you have recently opened. Another thing here is under favorites, that's the star icon, where under research, as you can see, there's a star icon beside the box. You can actually click on the star and if you want to add that specific task into your favorites. So for example, that specific task is a highlight or you want to give importance to it, you can go ahead and click on the star beside the box icon. So the next thing here is the workspace apps, where currently it does not show anything on my end, but no worries. These applications will definitely help you moving forward with your own account. So here with the plus icon, it's actually the solution center where you can definitely create your own sheet, report, and dashboard. So there are a lot of views that you can begin with. So you can start with cards, grid, Gantt, form, reports, task list, depending on what the task is about or what the project is that you want to add. So here I'll be starting with creating one later on as well. So here on the lower portion of the left panel, you can see that launcher. So these are the informations like, as I mentioned earlier, your solution center and also your work apps just above the plus icon. You can also click on the help icon here, and here under your profile, you'll be able to see upgrades, plans and billings, user management, group management, invite someone in your team. So a lot of information on how you will be able to manage your workspace here. So under upgrade, when you click on it, you will be routed to a page where you can actually upgrade to a much more better plan. Since we currently are under a free plan where there are only limited features that you will be able to access. And then here for the other plans like Pro, and here you can Pro and Business as your options. There are a lot more features that you can take advantage. For Pro, the more or you will be able to have a lot of more members into your account. Well, for business, this is much more greater, where there's a lot more features that the business can take advantage once they will be upgrading into this plan. But for now, what we will do is we will just stick with the current plan we have for the free plan, since we are just for a startup or just for the beginning of our workspace. So once done, you can go ahead and go back into the homepage where you will be where we started with. So that was the dashboard. So when we click on the dashboard, what you need to do is just click on the exit button that's on the upper right corner. And here you'll be able to see this is your workspace or the dashboard for your smart sheet. So here we just click on the smart icon and then we can create a new project. Here I just click on cards and I'll just name it into things to do, then wait for it to save, and then here are the informations that you will be encountering once you click on save. So there are a lot of lanes here or columns. So there are backlogs, planning, in progress, completed. So you can definitely add all the tasks that you have on the account. And then once done, you can definitely just drag and drop the task if it's still in progress or it's under planning or if it's already completed on the account. So all you have to do is actually just click on the plus icon depending on where you want to add that specific task. So for example, we'll add it under planning. So we will, for example, we'll add product design as one of the tasks. So if we're in progress, we can just click on it and drag and drop it. Once it's completed, you just need to drag and drop it under complete. So if you wish to add another column, you just need to click on add new lane. So the new lane that I'll be adding will be for revision. And then if ever once the completed task has been reviewed and there's a few informations or details that needs to be revised, I can just drag and drop that here. So it allows me to organize the task that we will do for the team. So in that way, we will be able to keep track and to be able to manage our team accordingly. So you can definitely change the view as well, and you can also change the view by status. Here you will be able to change the view. For example, you want to have it by prioritization or you want to have it by status like we had earlier, or if you want the view for this project to be assigned to someone. For example, you already have a team and then you want to divide the task into your team members. So we'll just stick by the view by status since it would help me a lot here, and that's about it. That's how you will be making use of Smartsheet, and you will definitely be able to project or manage your project accordingly with us. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.